Hi, my name is Ron. I want to show you some of the features that are available through the Customize Table button when viewing the new 2020 PL 94171 redistricting data on data.census.gov. The Customize Table view is a great tool to utilize within our site, as it has a number of functions that our users may find helpful when viewing this new redistricting data. So let's try out an example search and take a look at some of the features. To find the PL 94171 redistricting data, go to data.census.gov and click on the Advanced Search button located directly under the single search bar. Then select the Surveys filter and click on the Decennial Census option. Then click on the checkbox next to the Redistricting Data PL 94171. Since we only want the newer data from 2020, you will want to go to the Years filter and select 2020. If you want to select a geography to view, you can do it in the Advanced Search as well. For this example, let's filter data for Harrison County, Mississippi. Click on the Geography filter, then select County. Scroll down the list of states and select Mississippi. Then another filter panel will load with all the counties in Mississippi. Scroll down the list until you see Harrison County and click the checkbox to add it to the search. Once you've selected Survey, Year, and Geography, and you want to view, click on the Search button, the bottom right-hand corner, and select a table. There are 6 tables to choose from, but for the example, I'm going to choose our new table for 2020 redistricting, Group Quarters Population by Major Group Quarters. This table gives us the count of people living in group quarters such as nursing homes, military barracks, correctional facilities, and student housing on colleges and universities. Next, click on the Customize Table located at the top right corner of the screen above the table. This new view, which is called Customize Table View, is where you can access a lot of different functionality by clicking on the buttons in the upper ribbon located above the table. For example, the Customize Table View provides another way to add additional filters to the table. You can select any of the filters that would be present on the Advanced Search page, such as Geography filter, and the table will automatically update to reflect the applied filters. For example, if you wanted to add another county for Mississippi, you would click on the Geos button in the table ribbon and add a geography the same way we would in the Advanced Search. So once you've already selected a county for Mississippi, the search will default to show the list of counties again. If you select another Mississippi county, like Franklin County, and then click the Close button, you will see that the table has now automatically updated to show the data for both Harrison and Franklin counties. You can also view table notes, which are shown here and can be hidden by clicking on the Notes button again. You can also download or export the table in Excel, print the table, or use the Map button to return to the map view of this table. Also want to mention the More Data button, which is located in the table ribbon, which will allow you to access and download the redistricting data in the legacy format on our File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, site. I hope this tutorial provided insight on how to access the Customized Table feature for the 2020 PL 94171 redistricting data through data.census.gov. For more guidance on using our site, please visit our resources page at the link below. Thank you.